How to level up fast in Monopoly Go. So in order to level up, you require XP, and in order to earn XP, there are some ways. And one of the best ways that you complete your daily task and quick wins. This way you would not only earn XP, but you will also earn some extra cash and free dice rolls. And also make sure that whenever you get additional cash or extra cash, you just upgrade your buildings or landmarks. This way you would be getting house. And there's one more strategy that you can simply wait for Monopoly Go to give you free dice rolls and accumulate them over the period of time and use them in one go. This way you would be able to level up quite fast, and you would not require to buy the dice from this place, marketplace basically. Just wait for this time to get over. You can wait for around 3 to 4 days and you would have enough dice rolls to level up quite fast. And this is one of the best way. You can also use this multiplier effect and play this game. This way you would be earning quite much, and 3 times or according to the multiplier, and also you would be able to utilize the dice rolls. So these were some best ways to level up fast on Monopoly Go. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.